In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add overlay on your Twitch live stream using OBS Studio. To download Twitch overlays, you can just come to this website, Stream Elements, and then sign up for free, and then just come to this Elements gallery. In here, click on this search widget and type here overlay, or you can just scroll down and find out a perfect overlay for your Twitch. So I'm just selecting this overlay for example, clicking on use the package, and then you directly jump into your elements dashboard. Here you get all of your saved elements or overlay. Just click on this three dot next to the overlay that you want to use for your Twitch and click on copy URL. Or you can just easily download overlay from Google. Make sure the overlay is a PNG or GIF format overlay. Okay, now go to your OBS Studio. Go ahead and add your video and audio sources. And now to add the overlay, click on this plus icon. And here, if you want to use a GIF or image overlay, then select here image. In my case, I'm selecting browser. Typing here overlay and just pasting my overlay link here, and here as you can see my overlay added. I have to resize my overlay size, so giving width here 920 by 1080 and clicking on OK, and here we can see my full overlay showing. And now you can just go ahead and resize your overlay size just like this. And to add a image overlay, you can just search for Twitch overlay PNG and then just download the overlay on your PC, and then go back to your OBS Studio, click on this plus icon, image, and click on browse, and then just select the image overlay. Once the overlay added, make sure to put the overlay under your media source or your display capture or game. Now I'm just resizing my overlay just like this, and then I'm making my video perfect for my overlay. Okay, now it's look perfect. Now all you have to need, click on settings, go to stream service, select Twitch and select use stream key. Now go to your browser, go to your Twitch, from dashboard click on settings, stream, copy your stream key and paste here your stream key and click on apply and OK. Now just click on start streaming. Once the streaming started, go back to your Twitch stream manager dashboard, and here as you can see I've successfully started to stream on my Twitch with overlay.